I'll pull out the darkest darks, like the very darkest darks, because they're applied somewhat inconsistently as a result of my adjusting pencil pressure. It's pretty similar, but there's like a range, like a deeper range of like a 80 to 100%, dark gray, black, that is only distributed in a few of my characters here, and I want to remove that to make everything feel a little more even as far as my application of values. So I'm going to go to levels, I go to the black slider and output, and I'm going to pull on that a little bit, and it's just removing some of those darkest darks. Still have really nice contrast, but it's pulling out those ones that are in that like 80 to 100% that felt a little bit inconsistent. That feels better. So now that I've got it flattened out a little bit, I want to grab my grays, just my mid-tones, and darken them a bit. So I'm leaving my blacks alone, leaving my whites alone. Just going to adjust my grays. I'm just going to do another levels thing on top. Grab my gray and bring it over, just not too much. Okay. And grab that and flatten. I want to show you something. It's just a little more even, getting nice and crispy. Okay, so now it kind of depends. I don't always do what I'm about to do, where I'm going to actually